Apple is gearing up to release its first ever AI-capable folding iPhone. Apple Intelligence, which is Apple's version of AI ChatGPT, wasn't ready for the market during its last phone launch and is expected to be integrated into the newest folding version of the phone. So this begs the question, does the market call for a folding phone? Are Apple users begging for a thinner phone that folds? Well, Samsung currently dominates the foldable smartphone market, holding a 56% share of the global market. The numbers don't lie, however. Q3 2024 shipments of the folding phone dropped 1% globally. It was the first quarterly decline after 6 straight quarters of year-over-year growth, according to research. What are your thoughts on a folding phone? Will the new version have enough upgrades and features that the market demands? Will Apple Intelligence be enough of a standalone feature to capture much of the market? Only time will tell. According to the Wall Street Journal, Apple is developing 2 versions of folding devices. The smaller of the 2 would be the iPhone, and it is believed that the larger would be the size comparable to a desktop computer. We hope you found this video helpful, as we took a small glimpse at Apple's plans to enter the folding smartphone market. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section where you think the direction artificial intelligence is headed in the future. Also, let us know what topics you would like us to talk about. As always, please subscribe to the AI Generation Next YouTube channel for daily AI news and up-to-date information. Thank you for watching.